Did you know there's a way you can search and find out who's using your stock images and where? Let me show you. Hey guys, welcome to another Random Wednesday with me, Charles Wollertz Photography. I just wanted to show you how to find your stock images and who's using them and where. It doesn't work every time, but it works the majority of the time. See, I've been lucky enough when traveling and going out places where you see your images in front of magazines and stuff like that. I found this image. It's a photo I took in Idaho of my garden in my house, and I found the image in Illinois. You never know where you're gonna use it. Then I also had this picture of Coeur d'Alene Lake, and it was in the phone book for 3 years in a row. I don't know if it's there anymore or not, but it's cool to find your images and how they're being used. So let me show you here online how you can find your images that are being used in blogs or articles or news, magazines, anything. If it's not print, you'll find it here. The first thing you want to do is find the image that you're looking, that you want to see. So this is very easy. The image has to have sold at least once. So for example, let me use this one. This is the blue hole. I've sold it 83 times. So you click on the image, you do a right click, and then copy image address right here. Then we'll open a new tab and go to Google. Right here in the upper corner, you'll see images. So click Google Images and then click on the camera. Then you Command V or paste, and that'll paste that image address. You do a search, and that'll find other images that are similar. One for Wikipedia. A lot of this is go by keywords. But if you click on this one that says Belize Blue Hole, it's a Belize website, so that's not my image. See, that's what I mean. It finds somebody else's, it finds other images that are similar, and sometimes you'll find them down here on the in the article. That's just because of the keywords. If we could scroll down a little bit more, and it says Belize Dive Haven. Click on that image, on that link. I'm waiting for the internet. It's a little bit slow. That's my picture. So someone's using it on this Dive Haven website. So there's another one here that's the same website. You also, if you look here before you click on the link, it says Shutterstock, deeper blue. So if we click on that one, see, there's my image again. And down, sometimes they'll give you credit. Yeah, that's who wrote the article. Anyway, that's one way you can find these images. But also keep in mind, like this one's Adobe stock, it's just gonna take you to Adobe where you could buy the same image. Let's try with a different image. This is Shutterstock. I just sold this image, it's in Costa Rica. Let me do a right click, copy image address. Now I'm gonna open another Google page. I'm gonna go here to images, click on the little camera, Command V for paste or Control V, enter, and now it's gonna search. So it's gonna pop up with all the images. If you look down here on the right of the articles, there's a small preview of the image and where they're being used. So in this case, if I click an expat's guide to Costa Rica, that's a website. Here's my picture. There's a whole article that says getting to know Costa Rica. You can see it in a whole bunch of other websites. 5 things to do in Costa Rica. There's zip lining. You will be surprised how many places and how you can find these images. This is, sometimes they're not there just because of the title or the name. Oh, there it is. Participate in a fiesta, go have a party somewhere. It's interesting to me to see my pictures being used because that opens up more creative possibilities and what types of images people are buying and how they're using them. And this will help me create better content. So that was it. Thank you very much for joining me on this Random Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Let me see who is using more of my pictures and how. Oh, that's an interesting one.